Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat when it says allow camera access. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat, it says allow when it says allow camera access, you should just go to settings. Then we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page we go to click on Snapchat. When you'll find this page, we click first stop and we click OK. After that, you'll enter to storage. Here in this page, we click clear cache. And in the end, you can go to Play Store. You will search about Snapchat. When you will find it, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.